Word of the day.
Word of the day, Rotbare.
Yeah. Pak Musa Kaula, motherfucker. Word of the day.
Word of the day, Rotbare.
Yeah. Pak Musa Kaula, motherfucker.
Ehe okusalayo omusa khawula ophume nama receipt maphephandaba aphume nama receipt noma ungathili ke bhuti hayi bandla uthi lona siphethu sendoda uyanyanyisa shame hey wazi wambukanisa uDJ Zinhle noSouth Africa iSouth Africa yonke manje ibheka uDJ Zinhle and yo uthi lo drinking and driving and he looks drunk ngathi uphuzile and uhleli kwi-seat uhleli kwi-driving seat uthi lona he's still young hle yeah vele he's still young I think he's 30 something 37 38 ushilo umuso but that kusho ukuthini lokho kusho ukuthi achithe hayibo wayishadelani pho uthi lo andazi lo noba ndim or na lo ohigh onguye lona ufuna ukuthi umeda he looks like uhigh hayi bandla yabona ukuphuza uneyinkinga vele and ngathi nje uphelile ngathi nje awe ma hayi bandla kwaze kwanzima hayi ke lo wavele nje waposta le screenshot lesi esipostwe amaphephandaba on Instagram as a proof yokuthi umeda uyachita hey abafana guys they will embarrass you uthi lona guilt this one and mawumbhekile shema lo babuso lobya angisho ukuthi ngithini but uthi lo even if I believe my man I'm not defending him in public. One wise woman once said, there are two people who will embarrass you in this life, your child and a man. And another wise woman said, the iconic Kanyumbao reminded us that a man will leave you in the desert with no water. Powerful words. uDJ Zinhle naye guys. Yo hayi bandla. Uthi lo the face tells it all sana. Hayi bengithi mina ngedwa ubonayo but ngiyacaca ukuthi angikho ngedwa ubonayo ukuthi lo babuso lobya. Anyway guys, that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next one.